Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am actually down in the Florida Keys on Marathon, and what you're seeing here is a picture of the bottom of the little fishing harbor, the marina down there, next to a restaurant called the Keys Fisheries. If you've never been here, this place is definitely worth a stop. So the food is excellent. The lobster Reuben was really good, and the conker fritters are actually pretty incredible too. But this harbor is amazing. It is full of tarpon, sharks. You can see down here there's a mangrove, snapper, just all kinds of fish. This place is just teeming with fish. It's not very big at all. But it's amazing, and you can see them on the surface. I mean, that's like a 4-foot tarpon going by there, and there's like 6-foot nurse sharks that are floating around. And so pretty incredible place. So this is kind of just a taster of what I have coming up here shortly from this trip down to the Keys. Hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, please do me a favor, hit the like button down below, and if you'd like to see more, hit the subscribe button. That'll help my channel out a lot, and I appreciate it. Hope you enjoy the video and look forward to seeing you back next time. Take care.